Cracking WEP using chop chop attack. After learning how we can fake authenticate our Wi-Fi card with a target access point, now we will start with the first method, which is cracking the key using chop chop attack. This method depends on capturing an ARP packet from the network and use it again by forging a new packet using the packet that we have captured. So what we are going to do is we will wait until we capture an ARP packet, then we will forge it to a new packet, then we will inject this packet again into the network. So this will increase the number of the data in the network, then we will wait the number to be high enough to crack the key. So it's simple. We will capture the ARP packets from the network, then we will forge a new packet, then we will inject it into the network again, and this will increase the number of data packets. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so let's start with the first method, which is chop chop attack. So what we are going to do in this video, we are going to specify a network, then we are going to fake authenticate our Wi-Fi card with the network because this will help us to inject a new packet into the network. Then what I'm going to do is use a chop chop attack to capture an ARP packet and get the key stream. Then I'm going to use packet forge-ng, which is tool that will help us to forge a new packet and inject it into the traffic. So I'm gonna specify my target. Okay, I'm gonna write okay, this is the name of the file that we are going to create when we will capture the packets. So this is the same comment as we did before. irodom-ng channel, the channel that the router is running on or our target network is running on. The base ID is the MAC address that our target is running on. To write the details into a file. So I'm going to call this file chop chop, and I will press enter, and I can see here that no one is connected to the network. And actually I have successfully associated myself before, but I will repeat the same process by using this command as we did in the previous video. replace-ng fake auth, the option 0 is the number of the data packet we are going to send, a the MAC address of the target, h is my Wi-Fi card MAC address, then w01 is my Wi-Fi card on monitor mode. So I'm gonna press enter. Then the network will not ignore us when we are going to inject a new packet. Then I'm gonna use a chop chop attack. So what I'm gonna type is airplay-ng. Then I'm gonna use option chop chop. Then I'm gonna use the same command here, but instead of A, I'm gonna put B. Okay, so let's repeat it. replay-ng is the name of the tool. Chop is the option that will help us to capture an ARP packets. Then we will get the key stream. Then -b the MAC address of target network. H is my Wi-Fi card MAC address. W01 is my Wi-Fi card on monitor mode. So let's press enter. Okay, if you see like long code like this, you should don't use this packet by just type no. What you are going to do right now is always you have to reassociate yourself into the network. So I'm gonna say no. We should see only 4 lines of codes or encryption. I'm gonna say no until I get 4 or 5 lines. Okay, I'm gonna reassociate myself here. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna keep saying no until, okay, here is it. It's from like five lines of encryption, which include the ARP packet, and it will generate the key stream. So I'm gonna say yes, and you can see here it start generating the key stream. Always make sure to reassociate yourself into the network, because if you didn't do that, you will not be able to capture the key stream. As you saw before, you only have to capture the key that is contain like 4 or 5 lines like this, because if you saw a long code or long encryption as we saw before, you will not be able to capture the ARP packet, then generate the key stream. Okay, we have only captured 85% from the key stream, and it's not a problem. We will be able to inject the packet into the traffic. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna open a new terminal. Then I'm gonna type I'm gonna use packet forge tool to forge a new packet. So I'm gonna say packet forge -ng, then -0, and then -a, which is I'm gonna just copy this command because it's the same. Okay, packet forge -ng, the name of the tool, and a is the MAC address of my target, or the target MAC address. H is my Wi-Fi card MAC address. Then I'm gonna add the destination IP by typing -k, then 255.255.255.255. Then I'm gonna add the source IP, which is also 255.255.255.255. Then I'm gonna say -y to specify the file that we have created. Then I'm gonna add -w to create or to generate a new file. I'm gonna call it chop, for example, chop inject. Okay, I'm gonna repeat the command. Packet forge -ng is the name of the tool that will help us to forge a new packet. A is the MAC address of the target network. H is the MAC address of my own Wi-Fi card, and K is the destination IP. L is also the source IP, and -y is to specify the file that we have generated, and it's include the key stream, 85% from the key stream, and -w to write the file, and I will call chop inject. Okay, I'm gonna press enter and wrote packet to chop inject. Okay, actually I will clear this window. Now I'm gonna I'm gonna inject the packet that we have created into the traffic, and you can see here only 482 packet. Just a minute. Okay, we have 497 data. So I'm gonna reassociate myself, and I'm gonna use this command, airplay -ng -2. -2 is replay, and I'm gonna say -r to read the file that we have created, which is chop inject. Then I'm gonna type my Wi-Fi card on monitor mode. So airplay-ng, the name of the tool. Dash 2 is to replay. Dash R is the name of the file that we have created before. Then 0001 is my Wi-Fi card on monitor mode. So I'm gonna reassociate myself here and press enter. Okay, now it's asking me if I want to use this packet. I'm gonna say yes, and you can see the number of data packet is increasing rapidly. So what we are going to do is we are going to close all of these windows. Just I'll leave these two windows, and I'm gonna open a new window, and I will type aircrack-ng to crack the key stream. Aircrack-ng, then I'm gonna type the name that we have created and includes all the file, which is chop. Okay, I'm gonna press enter. I'm going to wait the key stream, and as you can see, in only 1 second, it's actually because we have captured a large number of data. We have got the key stream to use it. I'm gonna copy it and paste it here, and I will remove all the quotes. Okay, so let's copy it, and I'm gonna disable. Okay, let's close all of this. I'm gonna disable monitor mode on my Wi-Fi card. Okay, let's copy the key and select the network. Here is it. Okay, I'm gonna pass the password. Show text. Here is it. I'm gonna connect. Okay, we have successfully connected to the network. So I'm gonna type ping google.com just to show you that the internet is working. Actually, it's not like this. Just remove ping google.com. Okay, we have response. That means the internet is working perfectly. I'm gonna try on Google Chrome, or not Google Chrome, on Firefox, excuse me. Okay, I'm going to google.com. And as you can see, the internet is working. Let's go to this website, aircrack-ng website, so everything is working.